There have been a number of measures that were announced by the minister today for passengers in particular, a lot of amenities. It's going to be easier, we hope now, to be able to get your rail reservations, whether it's through post offices or on mobile phones. Also, I think what a lot of people appreciated was the fact that you'll see a 40% hike in spending on cleanliness in trains and in stations. So we spoke to passengers today in Patna and New Delhi, many of them saying they're keeping their fingers crossed. They've heard these promises before. They actually want to see them implemented this time.
The Patna railway station perhaps defines what's wrong with the Indian Railways. Dirty loose, garbage on platforms and equally dirty trains. Something that the new government's first rail budget has caught the attention of. The railway minister has promised several measures to clean up the Indian Railways, quite literally.
देखिए ना, पंखा नहीं चल रहा, सामने पंखा नहीं चल रहा, बाथरूम गंदा है, आदमी बैठ नहीं सकता, इतना गर्मी है.
The minister has increased allocation for cleanliness by 40% over the previous year. Cleaning activities at 50 major stations will be outsourced to private agencies. The railways will also set up a separate housekeeping wing. Cooked, ready-to-eat meals, more hygienic in nature, will also be introduced in select trains.
आज तो अनाउंसमेंट ही हुआ है, तो आगे देखते हैं कि वो कितना जो धरातल पर उतर पाता है.
Passengers on long-distance trains like the Brahmaputra Mail, on which I am travelling in right now, say that while the rail minister's focus on cleanliness, on sanitation and on good food is very, very welcome, the situation at the moment is very, very bad, and that the proof of the pudding lies in the implementation of these promises being made in the rail budget.
While Alok witnessed dirty trains, filthy platforms and stinking toilets, here in the national capitals, things are not quite as bad, though there is always room for improvement. The focus here seems to be on security. Though the Big Brother is already watching here, several other security measures aren't up to the mark.
I have been to Delhi 15 days back. The luggage scanner was not working, and even after 15 days it's still not working.
Part of the NDA's maiden budget is golf carts like these, Wi-Fi at select stations and trains, workstations in select trains, a thrust on e-ticketing through mobile phones, and even wake-up calls and ordering food via SMS.
Safety and security should be the topmost priority, I believe.
The railway minister also plans to make at least 10 railway stations as good as airports. While all this sounds nice, the important question is how and when will these be implemented? With Alok Pandey in Patna, in New Delhi, Ketki Angre, Fendi TV.